This is how you can set a battery charging limit on your iPhone. So you can open up the settings and directly under the connectivity section, so below the cellular, you can find the battery section. And you have a bunch of different things like you can just see and like enable the battery percentage in low power mode. But when you click on the charging, which is right there with the battery health, you have the ability to choose the charge limit. So you can choose it by 5% increments from 80% all the way to the 100%. So as you can see, your iPhone learns from your charging and usage habits to help preserve battery over time. So you can choose the limits to be like 95%, and that's just how it works, right? And if you just change it from, let's say, 100% to like 85 or 90 or whatever, then the optimized battery charging is just not going to be enabled, because these two cannot exist at the same time, right? Because optimized battery charging means that your iPhone will eventually charge to 100%, but after 80%, it's going to be slowed down, and this is how it learns from your habits, and it's just going to stretch out the time until you reach 100%. But if you set the limits like 90%, then the optimized just doesn't work. So if you set it to full battery, then you can have the optimized, which personally I like to keep it this way. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't work. My battery health is still okay at 98%, so I don't really think that I should worry about that too much. So that's how it works. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have more questions, go ahead and leave them below. But for now, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.